Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about every method. So let's get started. In the previous video we learned about sum method. Feel free to check that out because that video is related to this video. Alright, so we use the sum method when we want to check if at least one element satisfies the given condition. In a similar way, we use the every method to loop over all the elements of the array, and we want to check if all the elements of the array satisfies the given condition. If all the elements satisfy the given condition, then we get true, otherwise we get false. Alright, let's look at an example. Let's say we have an array and it has elements inside it. Let's say they are all integers and they are odd numbers. We want to check if all the elements of the array, they all are odd numbers. If they are all odd numbers, we get true, otherwise false. So we can write something like this. Const is all odds, and arr dot every, we will represent each element of the array using any variable. Let's call it v, and we want to check if the current element represented by v is odd. So we want to return something like this: v mod 2 is not equal to 0. If this is true, then we know that element is odd. And now we can console log is all odds. So by looking at this array, we are going to first check 1. So v will become 1. 1 is odd, so this is true. We move to the next element, which is 3. So v is 3. 3 is also odd, so this is true again. Then we move to the last element, which is 5. v is 5, which is also odd, so this is true. Now since it is true for all the elements, so finally arr.every is going to return us true. So is all odds is going to be true. So if we run this one, we get is all odds true. Now in a similar way, if any one of the element of the array is even, then we are going to get false. So let's say we have few more elements. Let's say 7, 9, 15, 21, etc. And somewhere we have, let's say, an even number. Let's say 2. So now this array has one even number, which means this condition is going to fail for this number. And since this condition is not satisfied for all the elements of the array, the arr.every method is going to return us false. So if we run this code, we are going to get is all odds false. And that is what we have. Alright guys, we have reached the end of another video. I hope you are liking it. And if you do, then please subscribe my channel and click that bell icon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. And like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.